guys, welcome to my channel, Step Into a New Day Life Coaching, and I've been wanting to get back on here for a long time, and I've been going back and forth, and so today I am just starting with a simple vlog where I want to incorporate just kind of like a check-in and what's been going on and maybe just things going on in my day. So I hope that you'll come along with me and we'll kind of see what today brings, and I can sit down and chat with you guys a little bit about what's going on because I want to try to be more consistent in my channel. So real quickly, for those of you that do not know me, my name is Brandis. I was a Spanish high school teacher turned stay-at-home mom turned certified professional Christian life coach. And I love helping mothers feel good in their homes, minds, bodies, and spirits and live God's best for their life. And I hope they can just come along with me today and
all right, so right now I am making for Stella and I, just for lunch, I am doing some bok choy, and then this is like apple sausage that I normally get from Costco. This morning I did some hard-boiled eggs that I'm just going to keep in the refrigerator and on hand for this week. So I can snack on them during. After I'm done eating, I am on mission, put away all the groceries. We just got back from vacation, so I did.
Mom, I'll put them away for you.
Yeah, you can help me. Bryson said he's going to help me. So anyways, I did a Walmart pickup, and I just want to show you a few things. I'm not going to show you everything, but this is my favorite gluten-free bread. I am gluten-free, so I'll always get this Canyon gluten-free ancient grain bread. I love this. My husband and I love this. I also got some gluten-free brownies that maybe we'll make sometime this week. And I love these pizzas, and they have them only at Walmart. They are Banza. So this is made out of chickpea flour, and I absolutely love it. It feels so thick and filling. There's a lot of protein in here. So this is a really good pizza. So yeah, look at that. There's 17 grams of protein, and this is also gluten-free. I'm digging into this right now. I made myself a sweet potato also. And then I love this little dip. I just do mayo, lemon, juice, salt, and pepper. And I dip it with tortilla chips. And it's really good. Lunch.
So I am about to go ahead and put away all the groceries. And one way that allows me to get really motivated is I throw on my apron. This apron has a pocket right here. I'm able to stick the phone in my pocket, and I make sure to listen to a podcast, and that helps me be motivated, and I am able to complete my task. So it's a really good. So I am in my basement right now. We have a refrigerator down here, so I just had to put away some of our overflow from groceries. So I had to put some of the gluten-free bread away, extra milk, extra eggs, and our pizzas I keep down here in the freezer. And that was okay. So I wanted to just use this time, I guess, just to chat a little bit. I haven't made a YouTube video in a while now. I think I made one at the start of the new year about how I keep my calendar and my planner and just goal setting. So a lot, I guess, has kind of transpired since then. The first most important thing that is so exciting, and I can look back on my channel and look back at like what I was thinking about, but is the fact that I am an official certified professional life coach. So I did all of my schooling. I started schooling back in, it was August, I believe, August of 2020. So I was starting school online. My kids were starting school online at that time. And I officially, in 2022, I was probably a little bit before my birthday in March, I believe. And you had to do special mentor coaching, and you had to get all of your requirements and all of your classes and all of your hours. I needed 50 hours, but I have about 100 hours of coaching, which is also going to go towards another credential that I'm trying to get as well through International Coaching Federation. So I'm waiting on that right now. But that all happened, like it happened. And it's crazy. The whole thing is crazy. Just how you just follow the path that God puts before you. Down to, figuring out the name and the logo. And I went through a lot of coaching myself in order to really figure out, who I was really serving and how to do it and what my vision was and what my mission was for my clients and everything like that. And so things are just coming together, and it's a continual road. It's a continual journey. And I don't know what it's all going to look like. I'm still just walking with the Lord. I'm coaching. I'm trying to be a mom and do all of the things as well. So really trying to have that balance. And I'm just trusting God that things are happening in the moment that they're supposed to be happening. The next big thing that'll be happening will be that my website will be going live soon. So I can't wait to share the website with you guys. And for me personally, I know a website's not going to, do anything significant, but it's a good landing place for people. But for me, I always said it from the very beginning that it's going to be my green light. So I feel like when I have my website, I am going to be able to, make new business cards. It'll go on my business card. I'm trying to do things with the climb that I wrote, guided journal, and I'll put a video up relating to that if you're interested in the climb. But I'll be able to maybe rebrand those or repurpose those and put my website in there. And I just feel like that is an official landing place for people in order for them to understand what it is that I do with life coaching and journaling. So I'm so excited about that. I can't wait to share that with you. So I'm sure there's going to be a new video with that. As far as anything else, I'm going to continue posting on this channel, and I think some videos are going to be vlog style like this. Some videos might be more intentional about a specific topic, and I'm just going to kind of see where the Lord takes me. But I do want to try to be more consistent about it. There's a lot of balls in the air, and where do I focus my time? And I'm trying to get a handle on that, but I think I am going to just try to remain consistent on this. So maybe I'll try to do one video a month. Let's see how this goes after this video, and not one video a month. I think I may try to do one video a week, whether it's vlog or whether it's topic style. So let me know if there's anything specific that you would like me to share as well. And I think that would be helpful too. But anyway, so just celebration, praises to God that the path that he was leading me on, I actually, got to it. And now it's just a journey. It's an unraveling. I have a loose plan, but I don't put everything into my ideas. It's like an open hand, I have my plans and my vision, but I'm also here just kind of all right, God, what do you want me to do? Where do you want to go? Who do you want me to serve? How is this all going to work? What do you want me to do with YouTube? What do you want me to do with Instagram? What do you want me to do with Facebook? So these are a lot of questions that I continue to have. And I'll put all my information down below where you can find me. I do Wisdom Wednesdays on my Facebook page. I've been starting that. Instagram. I'm contemplating what I'm going to do with Instagram, if I'm going to stay on Instagram or if I'm going to leave Instagram, because I just don't know. I feel like sometimes it's a distraction, maybe taking away from me making YouTube videos. So I'm still in deep prayer about that. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. I'm still praying about it. At first, I thought I was totally positive that I'm going to get off of Instagram. And now I'm just totally not 100% sure. So I'm still thinking about that. So any prayers would be great on that. But I'll put all that information down below so you can connect with me there if you'd like to. But just a quick little chat. I hope you are doing well. And I'm going to continue on with my day. I think next, me and Bryson are going to be doing a little activity that he wanted to do before we left on vacation. And then after that, me and Estella are going to do something. And today that just happens to be working out well that way, where I can kind of touch base with both of them. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this every day, but we'll see. That's how it's going today.
The stuff is still in here, Mom. The stuff is
Okay,
still
good. So we got to read the instructions. so we just got back. It's probably around 5:30ish. And Estelle and I were able to get out, and we went to a neighboring like downtown area. You saw all the little stores that we went into. They were really, really cute. I've never been in that specific area. And as we were thinking of just something to do, because she wanted just some, you know, mommy-daughter time, we decided to choose that area. So it was really nice. The weather was great. And then we ended up going to Starbucks and just got something to drink before we came home. And right now I am cooking dinner, trying to get dinner ready.
All right, so I am doing some shrimp scampi, and basically I did garlic and I did a lot of olive oil and just started getting the garlic to really start to smell. And then I had some onion, I threw in my shrimp, my broccoli, some artichoke hearts. So that's kind of just cooking, and actually the broccoli was frozen, the shrimp was frozen, so everything is just coming together. Did some salt and pepper right now. I already have my pasta. I made my pasta, and this is actually Banza. It is chickpea pasta. I'll show you right here. And I get this at Costco. And then I'm gonna add some lemon juice, and I'm gonna do some parsley and maybe a little bit of hot pepper. And it's very, very simple. I love it. All right, so we're done with dinner, and normally the kids are off their iPads after dinner. And so I am going to read them this book called Fred's Big Feelings, The Life and Legacy of Mr. Rogers. I tend to feel like the way I'm best able to connect with my children is through reading. And again, Bryson is 8, Estella is 10. And so we're going to take a look at this book. Well, it's about 9:41, and after I was done reading the book, we basically came back inside and we ended up watching Won't You Be My Neighbor, which was the Mr. Rogers documentary. It's just the way. I didn't plan any of this. These are just books that I had gotten from the library, and then we were skimming through trying to watch something else, me, Estella, and Bryson, and then we ended up stumbling across that, and then we watched it, and I thought it was just a great, because I had watched the documentary before on an airplane ride somewhere in the past, but the kids never did. There were a few silly parts or whatever, but it just, I think it was really great. It was a good message, especially in our, just the way the world is right now. I think it was a good movie just to talk about, you know, love being the overarching theme of life and what you can, you know, aspire to. And also being conscious of what's molding you, what's molding our children, and with media and things like that. So anyways, it was good, and we had a good time watching that. And right now I'm basically just going to do my list for tomorrow, and the kitchen is cleaned, and I'll go upstairs, wash my face, and get ready for bed. I am reading a really good book, and I will probably run upstairs and I will show that too real quickly here, but I'm going to get ready for bed here before I sign off. Okay, on second thought, I am tired. I'm going straight to bed. I'm probably not going to be reading tonight, but I'm sure on a future vlog or even just a video, I'll explain the book that I'm reading, which is so cool. Thank you so much for just joining along with me today, and thanks for being here, being with me as I choose to vlog, post videos, just going on this journey on YouTube. So thank you so very much, and talk to me in the comments. I would love to talk to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.